What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game God of War Ragnarok on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website. After that, search up the game God of War, and once you have found it, select it. Now the next step is scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is very expensive on Steam itself. So what I will do, I will show you a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search up the same game, God of War, and once you have done that, select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now what we need to do is scroll a little bit down till you find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and then select it. And as you can see, we can already download this game for just €44.28 compared to the price on Steam of €59.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games legally online. Now what you need to do is purchase this game, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key to activate this game through Steam and download it on your PC. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading legit games online. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!